Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about the beta channel for new features. Sometimes you wonder what exactly is new features, and I think that one of the things that's happening actually, and some have started to see it, in Windows 10, which was, yes, used a little bit with advertising by Microsoft, but it wasn't as bad as Windows 11. Well, prepare and brace yourselves for Microsoft 365 and Xbox app and Xbox Game Pass ads in the start menu in Windows 10 in a near future, apparently. This is what comes out of checking out the beta channel updates and seeing that there is a possibility for ads to get into your system. We've said it so many times that an operating system should not have ads. And it's interesting because when we look back, there was a post on X by one of the Windows gurus that find all sorts of things, and went back in time and looked at the Windows XP start menu from a new PC that you were purchased. And we often forget that a lot of manufacturers, back then it wasn't Microsoft. It was a lot of manufacturers were just putting tons of crap on PCs when you would buy one. And there were a lot of apps that weren't there if you would do a clean install. They were there just because Dell or HP and so on wanted to put them on the PC. And it's crazy when you think about it. Now it's Microsoft that's annoying us with ads within the operating system. That, once again, I find that it doesn't have its place because it lowers the overall quality of Windows. But anyways, it seems that brace yourself for Windows 10 ads soon coming to the start menu at some point, apparently. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.